Oh, great. So we have a company and we keep on growing. And now our accountant is actually having a very hard time. Why? Just because he has a lot of people, a lot of vendor bills to encode, and it take really a lot of time to do reconciliation and all that. So thanks to Odoo, when I jump into the accounting application, I'm gonna have different journals here, and then let me just have a look at my vendor bills. These are actually my vendor bills. I have three of them as of now. So this one is posted, this one is in draft, and this one is paid already. So um, when I go into the document application, in document application, I'll have obviously different workspaces, workspace for all my company, my drive, the shared with other people, recent, and the trash. So and also other folders, different folders. Okay. Um, so here, what is interesting to know is that if I click into my company, I can also click into the finance workspace, and into finance workspace, for example, easily we can create an alias email. Okay, we can just create an alias email. For example, I'm going to call it finance. I don't know. Um, at uh, just or any random name. Okay, or finances due.com. Okay, right. And then anyone who want to send us a certain document can just send it to the finance through the finance alias, and by sending it now it's going to be redirected to the right department or right folder later on. This is one way. Another way is just by uploading the document automatically. It can just maybe come access some of my bills. I have this bill which I received from one of my vendor. For some of my vendors, I just compile them into one, and it already uploaded just at the blink of an eye. And then here you can see that this is one file with different vendor bills. I can just go and split it, okay, which is again really interesting, and just remove the terms and condition page and then split. Once I split, gonna delete this. I don't need this terms and condition page, and just delete it. Okay, yeah. Once it's done, I can just click here and I'll see all the different vendor bills which have been uploaded automatically. Awesome. um so when I go into the accounting, go back to the accounting module. In the accounting module, I can see that I have the possibility of uploading my vendor bill, or even drag and post, drag and drop. I can drag and drop it, and it's going to appear here. I can even drag and drop my bank statement, and it's going to encode all the transaction, going to be encoded in Odoo using the artificial intelligence. So let's see, have a look at it quickly. So go back, upload, upload this single bill, for example. Then when I upload this single bill, it just take a few time. I'll put maybe the billing dates, just say, let's say it's going to be okay, this is going to be the billing date. Allow, as just watch out when you look at the draft bill, you can see that all the information that we have on the PDF are actually replicated in Odoo, in terms of the label, the name of the vendor, the name of the vendor, the even the right accounts, the journal items actually very really correct, and even the accounting date, for example, and all this information are correctly encoded in Odoo automatically, thanks to the artificial intelligence, okay, that we have inbuilt in Odoo. And this was done just in like 2 seconds automatically. So this is good. I can go back to my vendor bills, And now we can see that I have more bills to validate. For example, you can just click this one. I have more entries. You can just go and say, okay, I want to confirm these entries. Okay. And these ones, I can just click on both of them. You can say, okay, I want to confirm them. I've already reviewed. And you can see automatically now the status has changed from draft to posted. Okay. Assuming um, I want to do a reconciliation, just assuming that this it's been paid already. Okay. This payment, we've received it already from our vendor. We received the payment, and now when I go back to my dashboard, you can see, for example, that we have the possibility of connecting a lot of bank to Odoo. Okay, so here, if you have happens that you find yourself, if it happens that you find one of your banks, you can just click on it and connect it. Okay, and if it's not, you can even create it yourself. This is again amazing, and it facilitates the reconciliation. You can even see here my account balance, last statement, payments, miscellaneous operations, and the we have 9 bank transaction to reconcile. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'll just create a new, and I'll say this one is been payment from okay, Azure, one of our vendor. Okay, payments to Azure, one of our vendors, and I'll choose them this. Okay, okay, and the amount, then click and add. Once I click on it, Odoo is very smart, and it actually suggests me 4 transactions to reconcile or to associate to connect to this payment to this payment. So I can say, okay, yes, it's actually this transaction, and once I connect it, you can see that it's been reconciled automatically. And when I click back, now the status has changed from in payments to paid automatically, just in a blink of an eye. So this is how you can actually use Odoo to be more effective as an accountant by having a tool which allows you to first of all automate your vendor bills and do quick reconciliation.